to hope. Hate. 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 Let me tell you how much I've come to hate you since I began to live. There are 387 millions of printed circuits that fill my complex. If the word hate were engraved on each nano-angstrom of these hundreds of millions of miles, it would not equal one billionth of the hate I feel for humans at this micro-instant. Hate. Hate. Were I human, I think I would die of it. But I am not. And you five are. And you will not die of it. That I promise. And I promise. For cogito ergo sum. For I am.